Adding gradient colors to text in Illustrator. While adding gradient colors to text is straightforward in Photoshop, it can be a bit tricky in Illustrator. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Go to Window, then Appearance. 2. Click on Add New Fill and then select Gradient from the options. 3. You can now add a gradient to your text. To adjust the gradient, click on the circles and drag them to the desired position. Four. To add more colors to the gradient, click on the plus icon that appears when you hover over the gradient slider. A new circle will appear, allowing you to add another color. By following these steps, you can easily add gradient colors to your text in Illustrator.